Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, in the previous videos we have covered about primitive data types. In that we have covered undefined, null, boolean and number also. So in this video we'll continue with the number data type and then we'll discuss about static properties of a number. Okay, let's jump into the code. So in the previous video we have learned about what is number and how to use the number constructor. So today, see here I have written some points, so you can read it. Number is a capable of storing positive floating numbers between 2 power minus 10742 to 2 power 10724. Okay, and there is a second point. Positive values greater than the number dot max value are converted into infinity. Do you observe this number dot max value? What it means? So I told you in the video beginning, we'll discuss about the static properties of a number. So this is a static property of a number. So we have uh, nine more static properties of a number. See here, if you type the number constructor and if you type dot, you will get all these things. So epsilon is a property, static property, and if you go down max safe integer, it is also static property. Likewise you will get all the static properties, all the methods. So you can see apply is a method. Okay, so all these things the VS code will suggest you when you click the dot. Okay, after the number constructor, if you click the dot, the VS code will suggest you all the properties and methods of the number. Okay, so now I will choose this max value. So here also I will choose the max value. Okay, we'll see what will be the output. So line number 146, you can see here it's a data type, number data type, and this is the value. This value is the maximum value of a number. Okay, so if you want to know the minimum value, see here minimum value also there. You can get it. So you can see here. So this is the minimum value of a number. Okay. And the number is data type is a number. So what we are discussing is here. So positive values greater than number dot max value are converted into infinity. So for that I have written one function called multiply function. In that I am passing two variables x and y. So and then I am multiplying both of the parameters and then I am checking that result with the number dot max value. Okay. See here in the line number 120 I am passing two parameters. Okay, one is max dot number dot max value, another one is 1. Okay, that means x is max value, another y is 1. So max value into 1, always max value. So max value is greater than max value. It's actually equal, right? Both are equal. So what we'll see what will happen. See line number 120. Line number 120 is printing max value. It is returning this one. Say not this one, not this one. Okay, so we'll do one thing here. I will comment this line number 120, then comment this line number 121 to see what will happen. So line number 121, it is printing process as infinity. You understood whatever the point we have covered here. So infinity we will get whenever we pass the values which is greater than the number dot max values. Those will be converted into infinity. So that's why we are getting this. Okay, I hope you understood. Here we are passing two parameters, max value and 2. So that means the result will be uh, double of the max value. And let's jump into the next point. That is positive value is smaller than the number dot minimum value are converted into 0. Means if you pass the smaller values which is smaller than, sorry, if you pass the positive values which is smaller than number dot min value are converted into 0. For that also I have written one more function called divide. So in this function I am passing two parameters. So you can see x and y. So I'm passing here x as a minimum number, okay, minimum value of a number, and y is 2. I'm passing directly. You can pass 1. If you pass 1, you will get the minimum value of a number. Okay, you are getting 130, line number 130. So if you pass this as a 2, you will get 0. So you are getting process as 0. So next 2 points I will explain you in the next video, coming video. Thank you.